del Sur to interview my mother on the issue about criminals and what is her say about it. Quick background check. My mother's name is Merrick Tagoyotero, and a single mother has been providing for us for almost 20 years, and now she's staying at home. She lives here in Porok 5A Maravilla Street, Nagonoy, Davao del Sur, and she doesn't have any job. Stop. In your opinion, what are the primary factors that lead a person to commit crimes?
In my opinion, syempre yung pagiging gahaman minsan sa pera, kaya nakakagawa ng mga krimen katulad ng pag nanakaw, tas pag nahuli, kakagawa ng krimen kasi pumapatay minsan.
Okay. Rape cases in Davao City and the entire Davao region are increasing. What do you think are the reason for this?
Ang main na rason niyan is yung pagiging laging gumagamit ng droga kasi nawawala na yung katinuan sa isip kaya minsan nakakagawa ng hindi maganda at nangre-rape na ng mga babae.
What are your explanation why, until now, crimes are still rampant in our society?
Ang explanation ko dyan is dahil talamak na yung droga sa ating society kaya laging ang mga taong gumagamit ng mga ganyang wala na sa katinuan kaya laging nakakagawa ng mga crimes.
Do you think criminals should be punished or rehabilitated? Why?
Mas gusto ko yung punishment kasi para malaman niya or maramdaman niya yung resulta ng kanyang ginawang krimen na ginawa. Kaya mas gusto ko yung pagdudusahan niya kung ano yung nagawa niyang krimen.
What is your stand on the issue of imposing the death penalty?
Death penalty? Mas maganda yun kasi para matakot na yung mga kriminal na gumawa ng krimen at saka para hindi na rin sila tularan ng mga ibang kriminal at may takot na silang gumawa ng krimen dahil mayroon ng ganyan na death penalty.
That's the say of my mother. I am Randall Vince Teotero, reporting here in Hagonoy, Davao City, live.